Welcome to the BPA platform training videos from Codeless platforms. Here are the objectives, required tools, and approximate running time for this video. On completion of this exercise, we will see how to extract the status of orders from a database, upload them into an HTML report, and send the report in an email on a scheduled basis. This will be broken down into several short videos that cover the objectives listed in the accompanying documentation. This video will cover parts 5 and 6. Let's begin by starting BPA platform. Double-click the task folder, locate our task, and double-click to open it. To ensure BPA platform runs the steps in the correct order, we must link them first. In the Design tab, drag DBQ Recent Orders onto Format Report. And drag Format Report onto Send Order Status. The steps are now connected. Click OK to save and close the task. We will now run the task. Right-click on the Scheduled Order Status Reports task and select Queue Now. The task will appear in the Active Tasks pane. OK, let's check that an email has now been received. And we can now see the email with the template and embedded table. To further enhance this task, we're going to add a schedule step to send the email on a daily basis. Let's double-click to reopen the task, right-click in the design area, and select New, Event, Schedule. Type a name for this step, such as Run the task every day. Go to the Main tab, change the time zone to your region, and from the Schedule pane, select Days. And from the Schedule Options pane, select Run Every Day. To test this example, change the run date time to be a few minutes in the future. Leave all other options as the defaults. Now click OK to save and close the step. We will now link the new schedule step to DBQ Recent Orders so that it becomes the new first step. And click OK to save the task. From the BPA platform client, we can monitor the Active Tasks pane to ensure the task fires at the correct time. And that's it for this video. We have linked the steps, tested the task, and added a schedule step. This is the concluding video for the Scheduled Order Status Reports exercise. More training videos are available on the Codeless Platform's website. Thank you for watching.